This is a fully functional stock educator web application. It renders interactive 10-year data charts and maps historical events directly onto price spikes. Every line of code required to build this was written by an AI, not a human. You are going to build this exact application today. By using Perplexity Computer as an autonomous developer, you can even teach the system specialized new skills while the build is already in progress. To follow this process, you must use the Comet browser and have an active Perplexity Pro account. Accessing these autonomous features requires specific computation credits provided by the Pro plan. Methodical. Open the video description and copy the architectural prompt provided there. You will need this specific text to begin the build sequence. This workflow allows the AI to manage the entire workload autonomously, removing the need for you to oversee every individual step of the technical execution. First, open a new tab in the Comet browser. Locate the Computer button on the interface to enter the minimal workspace. Before you enter your prompt, look at the Model Selection drop-down menu. This chart represents the internal logic of the system. For multi-step autonomous work, you must select Claude Opus 4.6. This is a reasoning model, which is a type of AI optimized for complex logic and decision-making, rather than simple conversation. Paste the stock app prompt into the bar and hit send. This immediately activates the specialized sub-agents needed to handle financial data and web development. Look at the activity log. Instead of waiting for a final answer, you can watch the AI's thought process as it loads specific skills and outlines its multi-step research and build plan. Notice the credits counter in the top right. This number tracks units of work. As the AI performs more complex autonomous steps, it consumes these credits to power the necessary computation. By selecting a reasoning model and monitoring the log, you gain full visibility into the software factory as it assembles your application. While the primary app build continues in the background, you can start a second job. Click New Task in the sidebar to begin a parallel workflow. Open a new tab and go to skills.sh. This is an external marketplace for pre-built AI capabilities. Find the stock analysis skill. Copy the URL for that skill, paste it into your new Perplexity task window, and type Install this skill. Check the sidebar. The application build and the skill installation are now processing at the same time without interfering with each other. The software functions as an orchestrator by executing simultaneous, independent workflows without requiring your direct supervision at each step. Return to the activity log for the primary app build. The AI is now entering the final compilation phase. You will see a red error message indicating an Anthropic SDK import failure. An SDK, or Software Development Kit, is a collection of tools and code libraries that allows different software programs to work together. This fracture represents the moment the code failed to connect. Do not type a correction, do not stop the process, stay away from the keyboard, and watch the log. In this closed-loop feedback, the AI reads its own error logs. It diagnoses the exact code causing the conflict and determines a fix. Autonomously rewriting the faulty section, it reruns the build. The corrected code locks into the mainstream, continuing the process. The system just completed a full debugging cycle without any human input. This capacity for autonomous self-correction allows you to focus on high-level oversight, while the AI handles the granular technical troubleshooting. Once the log completes, the AI provides a final hyperlink in the workspace. Click the link. You are now inside your newly deployed web application. To test the functionality, enter a ticker like NVDA. A ticker is a unique series of letters used to identify a stock on an exchange. The app will immediately render a 10-year chart. Look at the historical callouts. The AI has mapped specific events to the price data, explaining why the stock moved the way it did at different points in time. By utilizing the orchestrator model and parallel tasking, you have created a direct pipeline between a concept and a functional product. For your next build, connect your existing tools like Slack or Google Drive to automate your professional workflows.